Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 2 3 countings. Let's start. Colors name. Yellow color. 1. O-N-E 1. Pink color. Pink color. What is this number? 4. Number 4. What is this number, kids? Green color. 6. Number 6. Blue color. What is this number, kids? 2. Number 2. Yellow color. What is this number, kids? 10. Number 10. Blue color. What is this number, kids? 9. Number 9. Green color. What is this number, kids? 0. Pink color. What is this number, kids? 8. Blue color. What is this number, kids? 3. Number 3. Yellow color. What is this number, kids? 7. Number 7. Green color. What is this number, kids? 5. Number 5. So kids, what we learn today? We learn yellow color, pink color, blue color and green color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 1 to 10 countings. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.